Tickety boo. Well, alarm test today sometime. Let me know, guys, when you're going to do the test. Oh, I'm not. Oh, okay. Alarm test today sometime. Makes a hell of a noise, too. Wow, 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 wow. Is this better here? Yeah. Alarm test. Alarm test. Here I sit in my kitchen, grand or the counter condition. Look ahead. Woohoo. What do I talk about today? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so more questions and answers. More questions and questions and that kind of stuff. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I got this gauge here. Ugh, it's heavy. So it's about 15, no, about 10 pounds. This old gauge. That's what I call the right stuff. And it's the right stuff. So, how many amperes? Oh, somebody clicks.
11G.
The elevators.
That was weird. Okay, so it has AC hum coming out of it and some traffic noise. I guess they're doing whatever they're doing out. They're doing it outside actually. So they couldn't hear me. I thought one of them was around, but he went out the other door, and then people are standing around looking. So I don't know. It's just a test, so a brief test. Other than that, cameras are up and running as well. I could show you too that. I'll put this over here. Wow, noisy. Very noisy. So let's take a look at the system. Because I'm in the picture. Oh well. Go over this way. I think it's up and running. Yeah, it is. Everything's being tested. You can see. Where are we here? Roof. Where am I showing it? There we go. Very clear imagery. There's somebody out there. I can't tell, the stupid iPad. Unless it's filmed the other way, I could tell, but oh well, that's tested over and they're up in the ladder here, so. Again. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I can put this on the ladder and talk from this direction. Bob's your uncle. That's one of my favorite areas to film with, so. I didn't know they were going to do that until they hollered at me. Wow, kind of noisy, huh? What's this? I guess I left this behind. I don't know. Bottom B something. Oh, okay. So the old gauges, I'm going to be making a control panel, and those gauges will be in the control panel, along with the huge several nice switches, and then should be coming sometime. 150-pound Navy receiver I bought. Then also from Para Radio, I think it's about 1,000 pounds of stuff. Then that's coming, and next thing is the scrapyard. So that'll be probably another 1,000 pounds or more. So I made space for 2 pallets actually. So, over here. So I think 2 pallets will fit in here, 1 and 2. I can move that out of the way a little more too, so that, yeah, okay. No problem, let's move that back. Little Johnny Cupcake. That's the loading area. Then I stacked all this up here, so. Then unstack everything in time and get it all organized. Oh, Johnny, you're showing your lovely legs again. Maybe this is a good vantage point. To lean this against something. Oh, let's see. Not too bad. Oh, wait a minute. Always finding areas to put this stupid iPad. The most difficult thing to film with. I'll put it on here then. Fall down or will it stay there? Oh, it'll stay. It will stay. Huh? Oh, I got another transmitter. Oh, okay. I keep forgetting. Well, all these things gotta be tested. Most of them are tested already. I tested them. And they're working great. Little Johnny Cupcake. Where's Mr. EVO? I don't know. Oh, I can't have that showing. Oh, Jesus. Sorry. On the speaker? Oh, yeah, one of the speakers. Oh, what you heard, that came through one of these guys. Oh, this is this extra shipboard announcing system. Loudspeaker Dynamic LS306 SICK. Wow. There's a date too, but I can't. Oh, I don't know. Heavy. Okay, a bunch of them mounted already with them. That's why it's so loud. The siren or whatever it is. Anyway, I'm posing, of course. A different frame of mind today. Oh, I'm getting a gyro control system for the big gyro over there, which I can show you too. I want the gyros to interfere with the gravimetric tension within an electrostatic field and magnetic field and RF field. I'll show you that in a minute or so. I'm having fun today, a little bit of fun. It's busy. I'm making shelving for heavy duty stuff. Heavy duty machine tools, vintage. Whoops. No showing underwear, I don't think. Oh, I was going to show you the gyro in a minute or two, but I was just going to check on Mr. EVO. A bit spinny today, but oh well. Getting close to the gyro. Which way is the lens on this now today? Big fella. It's got multiple gyros in it. Brand new, never used, like most of the surplus. Can't quite read it, it's kind of dark here, but it looks good. So the gyro power supply and test set come with soon to be here, and then this would operate this. That'd be kind of an interesting field, and I'd like to know are there any cheap atomic clocks around? I'd like to at least try and disturb a second or a fraction of a second. Be kind of cool. I think I can. I'll put that here now. I'm out of their way. Contractors. I'm out of their way. I'm having a hard time trying to figure out what to talk about today, but oh well. Little Johnny Cupcake's got his own little problems. the lipstick on, no methylene blue. I think the methylene blue highlights me a little more, don't you? How long have I been doing this? 15 minutes, that's too long. I'm not inspired to talk about anything too much today. Oh. Show off. I wonder if EVO's around. Mr. EVO, where are you, love? Probably he ran out. No, he's inside the dome to get out of people's way. I think they're gone now. Or going here. Kind of controlled area in here, so keep EVO in this area. He's gonna get in the way of the contractors. EVO, love, where are you? I guess he's out somewhere. Oh well. I think he's out. I must be in the building. Or in the dome, so he doesn't get in the way of people working around here. Oh, that's okay, of course. Fruity patootie. See how disjointed I am today? Not focusing too much on anything. Not days like that, I guess. Still sunny and warm, but not too hot. Not too hot. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I mean, this is, even for me, it's kind of boring talking to myself here. Anyway, finding myself getting less and less interested in internet stuff. You know, I delete emails and all well. People just say things. The weird world of the internet. Alright, I'm gonna go and see where EVO is.